Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and have your Google email or phone plus password ready. Once done, open the Settings app and navigate to Accounts or Users and Accounts. This is where Google Accounts Live. You're not signing in yet. You're positioning yourself to add an account. This first step prevents interruptions and explains why connectivity and credentials matter for verification and syncing services. Now you add the account. Tap Add Account and choose Google, then follow the on-screen prompts. Enter your email or phone, then the password. If two-step verification is active, complete that flow. Use your phone, backup code, or authenticator app. Make sure to review sync permissions, contacts, calendar, drive, and app data. Once verified, the device will begin syncing. This explains why permissions affect what appears on your device and how quick initial sync can be. Finish by confirming sync. Open Gmail, Play Store, or Contacts to verify data is present. If things go wrong, don't panic. Check device time and date, ensure network connectivity, and verify your password. If two-step codes aren't arriving, try backup codes or an authenticator app. As a last resort, remove the account and add it again, or use Google Account Recovery. These steps explain why time, network, and correct credentials are common failure points.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.